NZD CHF analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now in this video we'll talk about this NZD against Swiss franc, okay? Before we start the video, let's go back to my YouTube channel. So make sure you watch my video till the end and then you will be automatically motivated to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, so instead of me saying subscribe and like right now, I would say watch the video till the end, and if you find something valuable or if you like my video, then subscribe and like in the end after watching the whole video, okay? And then below we have some links. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Once you click on the link, you will be taken on this page where you will see a lot of proofs and the screenshots and the money and the videos which we have on this page, which shows that you can make money as a newbie as well. So this basically is for newbies, the first link, who do not want to learn manual trading and they want to use a software and do trading on automation. It does work if you know what you are doing. So if you know more about this, click on the first link. Second link is join my free Telegram. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are into my Telegram channel. So go and join there. And third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. Click on this link, come to this page. You can join the prop firm here if you want. And the prop firm, I hope you know that already. Prop firm is where you trade with other people's money. Okay, but you need to know the best prop firm in the world, and the one which I'm giving you is the best one in the world on this planet. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about top 5 prop firms, top 10 prop firms. That's all garbage. That's a waste of time. If you know the best, give it out. That's it. If I know which one is the best one, why will I rumble and jumble about top 4, top 5? I don't care. I don't care about the rest of the 4. I only care the top one. Okay, so this is the best prop firm you could join on the planet. But if you have your own money and you want to start trading with a broker, then go and check out these links and you can sign up as a broker with these companies. Okay, so go and check out these links in your free time after watching the video. And let's get back where we were. We were here on NZD CHF. Before we get into the technical details, give a disclaimer here for you. My videos are for educational purposes only, and I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses, even though I know what I'm doing, okay? And second disclaimer is I'm not here for scalpers or for 5 minutes traders or 15 minutes traders. I only do long-term trading, but if you're a scalper or, like a 15-minute trader, you could watch my video and get the analysis that what's going on in the long term, and then you can enter your positions in short term as per your experience. But my analysis is mainly for long-term traders, for swing traders. Okay, so let's start with a top-down approach, starting with the weekly time frame. And CHF, it's clearly downtrend, no rocket science. So we have weekly in the downtrend, daily is in the downtrend, and then 4-hour is in the uptrend as of now. Okay, so 4-hour is in the uptrend, daily is down, weekly is down. So as per basics, if 2 time frames out of 3 are in the same direction, then that's the trend confirmation. Okay, so as of now, NZD CHF is in the downtrend, so we will be looking for only sells. Okay, now I'll give you the idea. Well, people know the difference between my analysis and other people's YouTube videos is that they don't tell you when to enter, when to exit. For that, you have to buy the paid subscription of Telegram package or join some thousands of dollar course. Okay, I don't know for how long I will be keeping this for free, but right now it's free, so enjoy it. And yeah, but I don't think what I'm giving you for free is not something I should be doing it. So make sure you subscribe and like, and I don't know for how long I will keep this for free. Okay, now we are sure that this is a downtrend. Okay, so we are mainly looking for this sell positions until and unless this any blue candle closes above this EMA in daily chart. Okay, so if any blue candle comes here and closes above the EMA in daily chart, then we will turn into buyers. But for now, we are looking into sells only. When to enter, you can see here right now today, this is a daily chart again. So you can see the previous low is here. So once we have a red candle which will eat this red candle and break this candle and make a new low, that's where we will enter and we will take our profits here somewhere. Nobody will tell you this is specifically. Okay, for this people charge thousands of dollars. If you don't believe me, go out there, check out those millionaire YouTubers who say, they're not wrong. I'm not saying they're wrong. No, they're not wrong. what they do on live analysis or weekly analysis, as your mentor after you have joined their $1,000 program. I'm not saying they're wrong. Charging money is something which I will also be doing maybe in the coming future. But I'm telling you for free, people are not going to tell you what I'm telling you right now. Okay. So when to enter into sell position in the NZD CHF? Once this low is broken, so once a red candle comes and breaks this low, enter into sell. And where will you exit? You exit below, you exit just above this red candle. Take your 50 pips, 70 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips, or 1:2 ratio, and just stay happy. Okay. So two scenarios here. Either there will be blue candle which will be going up, crossing the EMA, then we have to turn into buyer. If not, then there will be a new red candle which will eat this previous low, and then we will turn into a seller. Okay. Again, today is what? Today is 21st. So on 21st, we have NZD holiday and CHF holidays. Nothing, no movement happening. I don't have to tell you that don't trade on holidays. Do I? I think it's understood. You should avoid trading on such holidays. Okay. So coming back on 22nd of April, if we have any candle which eats this candle, we can turn into seller. If you like this video and if you found information which you did not find anywhere else, make sure subscribe, like, check out these links, join my Telegram, check out some brokers, whatever or offers, whatever you want to do. I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care.